In Margibi County on May 29, 2025, Liberia President Joseph Boakai Sr. came back to Liberia from Nigeria, where he attended the 50th anniversary of ECOWAS. But what seems like a normal trip almost ended in disaster. As the plane landed at Rabat International Airport, one of its tires burst. The plane shook and had to stop suddenly right in the middle of the runway. People on the plane got scared, and the old jet, which is 36 years old, could not move anymore. The president was quickly taken away in his car. Others on board were taken by airport shooters. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but all other flights had to be cancelled that night because